Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob's Nerdy Knives. We got an unboxing. I have no idea what this is and where it's from, but we're going to take a look at this together. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Javi Garcia Nova knife. This is the prototype, I think number 2. I got a chance to buy from Javi. Love this knife. Love the blade shape, the design, everything about it. So, okay, so this is from BladeHQ. What do we have here? Okay, so a QSP and a bunch of stickers for giveaways. Oh, awesome, 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 awesome. Love stickers for giveaways. You know that. Getting that time of year when we get close to Blade Show Texas, and I actually run out of stickers. So I always appreciate more stickers. And it looks like we got some new ones here. I hate knives. Just kidding. Could you imagine? I love that sticker. That one's hilarious. Presents are temporary. Knives are every day. Thank God presents are temporary, right? At least some of you guys may think that the one we had before may have been, you know, you may have liked them, may not have liked them. I'm telling you, I'm not going to talk politics. I love America. I want to see America be safe. That's all I'm going to tell you. But we're going to talk knives because that's what matters here. And it looks like it's a QSP. All right, so QSP knife. And it looks like a penguin, but not just any penguin. Oh my goodness. What do we have here? We have a Desert Warrior QSP penguin. Steel liners, reversible pocket clip. Look at that G10. Wow. Thumb studs. Look at that. Cerakoted. This one is D2. Penguin version 2. Oh, this is the penguin version 2. All right, can we do the middle? Can we do, it's a little slippery. We can do the middle finger reverse flick. So this one's probably on caged bearings because the version 2 were for the D2. Boy, that's cool. That's really cool. All right, so this is going to be a fun little one. Obviously, will be a giveaway, and also we'll highlight when BladeHQ is going to be dropping this. So this is a very, very cool one, a Desert Warrior. You guys got to keep an eye out for this. Some of you guys who maybe like to connect these are fun knives. I can tell you, every time I get one of these, my wife and my kids, my sister-in-law, they all want to steal it. They want this, but this was given to the channel, so it will be a giveaway. And I'll probably show it to them, and they'll want to grab this again. But my wife already got one. And some of you guys were really kind enough to find one to replace the one that I give away because she desperately wanted one. So we'll see. But this is really cool. I like it. It's actually really, really nice. It's a solid penguin. We've given tons and tons and tons of penguins away, but I love the fact that this is a Desert Warrior. So let's take a look because it's cool. It's worth taking a look. So you got that beautiful Cerakoted blade, QSP minimal logo on there, right? Then we've got beautiful the G10 scales with the sprinkles. We got the coated captive pivot, reversible pocket clip. As you can see, I love the pocket clip that they have. It's a nice. And the screws are somewhat recessed in there, but it's definitely inset into the scales. I like that. You do have a lanyard. You have 2 standoffs, different colors. I think that's brilliant. Different color liners as well. We got the clip over here. It matches the blade. I think that's really cool. Yeah. Well, even the screws. I just noticed that the screws match the standoff. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, and then you've got the different color pivot over there, and the action is really good. I was reaching for a flipper like the XL, but you can see that, and I can get my finger back here for middle finger reverse flick. So that's really cool. All right, very good. Over here you see penguin V2 D2 on there and the blade. Minimal billboarding. You got burgundy dark thumb studs which match the screws back here on the clip, if you can see that. So very good, very cool. All right, so here you got the penguin from BladeHQ. Thank you to BladeHQ and all the awesome stickers we're going to be putting in toward the giveaways, but this is super cool. Keep an eye out for this when these drop. I know the Gojira recently with the Desert Warrior, I saw that available and drop, so I'm super excited about that. Hopefully you guys got one. Just kind of cool to get a little hype and get a hands on. This one's actually really nice. This is if you like penguins, This is solid. This is a solid knife. It has no issues with this whatsoever. It works exactly as expected. Feels solid in the hand. Being that it's a liner lock, it works really great left-handed. Really easy to reverse flick and what have you and use. Just a solid little knife. Now let's look at the blade there. Nice and sharp. There you go. It is a coated blade, so you know, just keep that in mind. This is like a fun blade. So yeah, so it's not going to be a long video. This will probably be just a little short that I'll share with you guys. Probably a little second video of the day or something. But we will be doing this as probably a giveaway in the future. So thank you so much to BladeHQ for that. I really do appreciate that. So there we go, guys. Super cool. Super stinking cool. I'm excited about this one. All right. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, informative, unique, interesting, just plain wild, crazy, whatever, anything, would you consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe also consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel, it really does help me out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. Stuff like this is happening. So it has a lot to do with you guys. I appreciate you. And just appreciate you being part of the channel. If you haven't already, maybe also consider hitting that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out, a big thank you, a big huge appreciation to my channel members. You guys do two things for me. You encourage me just by being members, and I really genuinely mean that. I don't do this full time. I'm part time, so thank you. Secondly, because of your generous support of your memberships, you allow the channel to do things way sooner than I thought I could. Be able to check out knives, be able to cover costs of shipping, be able to do the weekly budget banger giveaways. Yeah, sometimes we get some free knives, and I'm so appreciative. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for that. However, you know, still got to cover the cost of shipping. Still got to cover cost of all the different things that is involved in that. So I very much appreciate that, and I appreciate your support of the channel. As a result, I want to do two things for channel members. One, all brand new channel members, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. I still want to do those by hand. As long as I can, I'm still going to keep doing that, okay? Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once-a-month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have 2 giveaways. And members, you could win both. The members giveaway exclusively for members, and it's definitely something a little nicer than a budget banger giveaway. It's usually, you know, something hopefully you would enjoy winning as a prize or giving as a gift, right? It's my small way to say thank you. If that sounds interesting, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you as a member. If you feel pressured in any way, don't do it, right? Just, you know, enjoy the content, be part of the channel. But if you do decide to become a member, thank you. I'm grateful and I'm appreciative so very much. So thank you guys for that. Yeah. Oh, and some of you guys are gonna ask, well, isn't there? I thought there's like, you know, emojis and kazoo salutes and anniversaries and exclusive. All that's true. Yes, there's all of that. Just my small ways to say thank you, to let you know how much I appreciate you and what you mean to me and the channel. So thank you. All right, if you haven't already, maybe also consider checking me out on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.